Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to stop ads running in background in Edge browser to improve your Edge browsing experience. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Edge browser. Then after you open up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right there, click on your profile icon. If you have not signed in into Edge browser, consider to log in for full features. So once you log in, next thing you need to do is to click on this settings icon, or better still, come to this, click on these three dots from the top side there, and then come down below right here and click on settings. So you are doing the same thing. So it's going to take you right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for system and performance right here. Click on that and it takes you right here. Now you have startup boost. So get to browse quickly when this is on. It helps you to improve. So right here under the system performance, what you have right here, continue running apps extension and apps when Edge is closed. What you need to do is to simply turn this particular button off. There is no need of running apps in the background when you are no longer browsing with Edge browser. By turning this thing off, it allow by turning it off, it improves the lifespan of your PC battery, and then by turning it off, it improves the lifespan of your PC battery and improve your performance. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.